This video will walk you through the installation process for NewTechWood's UltraEasy fencing system. We'll start with how to build the fencing system into the ground. Instructions for installation into concrete will follow in another video. The first task is to install the posts. Measure and mark the location of the posts at a distance of 5 foot 10 7/8 inches, or 1.8 meters, on the center of the posts. Now you're ready to dig your holes for the posts. Dig the holes 25 9/16, or 650 millimeters deep. This is about 3 times the width of the post. Please note that in colder climate regions, it is recommended to dig the holes below the frost line. To get this information, contact your local building office or search online. Next, layer 6 inches or 150 millimeters of gravel at the bottom of your hole for proper drainage. Position the post in the middle of the hole, on top of the gravel. Ensure the post is plumb by measuring the post twice, and make sure it is level. Set the post height at 74 13/16 inches, or 1900 millimeters, off the ground. At this point, you'll need to pour the concrete into the hole until it's 2 inches or 50 millimeters below the ground level. Make sure you pour the concrete evenly around the post and fill the hole completely. Once the concrete is set, fill the top of the hole with soil. Insert a stopper into the bottom of the post and fix it with the screw. Be sure that the stopper is placed at the bottom of the post properly. Next, put the starting aluminum trim over the stopper. Insert a galvanized steel tube into the central hollow of the 3rd, 6th, 9th, and 12th fence board that are already laid out in position. At this point, you will need to put the first fence board over the starting aluminum trim. Complete the installation for the rest of the fence boards. Insert the post trim into the post. Put the clip inside the ending aluminum trim. Next, put the ending aluminum trim over the last fence board and fix it as needed with the screw. Next, you will need to cut a small piece of post trim and put it over the ending aluminum trim to cover the slot between the post top and the ending aluminum trim. Put the post cap on the top of the post. Once you have placed your post caps, the install of your new fence should be complete. This concludes our NewTechWood UltraEasy fencing installation training. Thank you for your purchase of this NewTechWood product.